Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Wednesday to you. Happy hump day. Another day in the market. As you see, the market is selling off again. um, I did see a notification on yesterday about missile was fired over in Iran or something that after the peace talk. But I don't know if that's the reason why. It says recession could be looming. Got interest rate cuts up still. Just got a notification my gas will be surging higher. Last week, somebody about to close up the strait again. So it's just a lot going on, man. Whatever affects the economy, affects the stock market. People panic sell, start selling off, don't want to have their money at risk. But when they selling, you need to be buying. Subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch recent videos, share my channel also. Bitcoin down, so if you want to invest in Bitcoin or MicroStrategy, that's the treasurer of Bitcoin. They trade sort of similar. It's the time for you to be accumulating your shares of that, adding to your position for the long haul. So once, don't expect anything like 2027. Just that's my plan. So I'm just accumulating stuff like, let's get to trading stuff like this here, BTCC. Everything I buy, I don't physically buy Bitcoin. I buy the ETFs that do the options on it, BTCC, which is the grayscale cover call ETF, pays a dividend every other week. So I buy cash flow. One thing about owning Bitcoin, when it's down, you don't get anything for it unless you what it's called when you not stocking it, when you hold it and you get interest for it. Something, it'll come to my mind in a minute. It's at the tip of my tongue, just can't remember it. Staking it. Staking it means you got it and you loaning it to the brokerage people you got it in, and they loan some of your shares out or something. Some people make money like that with it. But anyway, man, I went and brought something today at 14.11, got down to 14.09. You can put your buy limit orders in there. I buy 5 shares of this every day. Another one you can buy, I just set it on automatic. It's YBit options on Bitcoin. Got it on $2 a day recurring on down days. See days like this here. It's pay a dividend every week. I just don't load up on it. I would just put on recurring investments, $1, $2, $5 a day, and just let it roll on out and build by itself. From my personal opinion is the time when you trying to load up on shares. Sometimes you can do it at a good old point too. Like now would be a good time to load up if you're gonna do it. They don't have a reverse stock split, but like I said, Bitcoin gonna be down for a minute. Let's go ahead and get the trade, man. We'll get on out of here. Got PMT, Penny Mac, pay a dividend every quarter. Got over 10% dividend yield. I've been swing trading this when it hit 10.50. This usually start to pay. Stays above the $12 range. 89% hold, 11% buy. 52 high, 1381, 15.34% yield. Today high was 1044, so it dropped significantly. This is definitely a discount. So I did add me some more shares onto it. I got 206 shares at 1006 now. So they add some right there. MSTY MicroStrategy, like I was telling you about MSTR. 1870. This got down to where it is like right now. I did add $10 worth. I'm about to get another 10. This also pays dividend out every week. So lowering my average cost at this point here. Another one I started a position in is MSTR. Start a small position doing $5 a day. In my Cash App portfolio, because I can put a buy limit order on a fractional share. Yeah, I'm back. Like I said, I did start a position here with MSTR. It's at 130.44. 52-week low is 104.16. So I'm gonna start a position right here too. Like I said, in my Cash App, I'm doing $5 a day. Go get me $25 worth at this price. 130.36. Start a position here. I want to swing trade this one also. Like I said, this one you're gonna have in the hold about 2027, just giving you, it is risky, it's volatile. So if you don't like risk and you want cash flow, this is not one for you. ORC, $6.64 today. I went and brought 100 shares already. I got 2,252 shares at $6.65. Actually, what this did. It's definitely one you want to buy if you want some cash flow. I'm going to go in at $6.64, pick up me some more shares. With the market, can this come down? Yes, it can. One thing about it, you get a dividend for holding it. It is definitely a cash flow play. I'm buying up. It's like buying real estate. MSFO options on Microsoft. Paid you a dividend every week. Got down to $12.10. I went and brought $100 worth of this price. I like to load up at 12 and under. Definitely one you might want to add to your list if you would like Microsoft. DISO, Disney. 960, get now $9.50 today. Pay a dividend every week. I added a couple shares at $9.51. Got an average cost of $10.96 now. Just averaging down with it. Pays a dividend every week also. Comcast, one you might want to stay out of because I'm going to swing trade my way up out of it. Does have a nice dividend though. Dividend yield is 5%. Does major 5.31. A lot of people do like this stock. It's undervalued. Perfect swing trade. 52-week high, 34.66. So you got upside of $11 a share if it goes back there. If they have good earnings, it's going to shoot back up. I did add some shares on here. When I'm online, I'm going to get another $10 worth. This one you want to buy when everybody is running. Bull having a bad day also. I'm at 580. Bull got the 580. Even if I try to add some shares, it's probably not going to let me because I got that sell limit order. Let's see what it do. And that's the stupid thing with Robinhood. So they said in a couple of days, supposed to have that trading thing off. It's going to come to me in a minute. The pattern day trading supposed to be off in a couple of days, so y'all look out for that. XLF financial sector ETF, $50.52. They go add some of that on. That's definitely a buy. That's something you can put on recurring investment, $1 a day. Visa. When I brought some Visa at 309, I got down to today. You can add you some at this point too. But really, you got XLF. That's all you're gonna need because Visa and MasterCard is in that ETF. So if you don't have it, just buy XLF. Forget Visa, Western Union for y'all that's in this. I'm gonna swing trade. This one got down to 781 today. 11.79% dividend yield. I brought it in my Cash App portfolio. Didn't want to have two positions in it. So I'm gonna swing trade that one. Put your buy limit orders at 771. You go buy some right now at average cost at market price. Casey's General Store, one I've been giving y'all. $752.70 is what you want to go in at. It's up $25 today. It's at 780. I'm at 803.09. So like I tell you, this one I'm gonna be swing trading also. XYZ is cash out. What they call block. I'm gonna add a little bit on at this price, $69.64. 52 low is 48.21. So got a price target of $92. Just for y'all to see that. Got a small position in my Cash App portfolio with Block. GIS, General Mills, 32.43. Go get you some of that. It's at 32.37. Got down to 32.31. 7.3% yield. Does pay out every quarter. Price target lowered to 31 from 36 at JP Morgan. It's a food stock. Like I say, they're getting beat down, man, but it's a dividend play. TSCO. Tractor Supply Company, 28.59 today. It's at 28.62. Go get you some of that. 3.13% dividend yield. 52-week high is $63.99. Walmart look like it's trying to come on out the rut. Got down to 112.97 at 116s, up 3%. So still at 116. Go get some of that because it's still a buy. Yeah, some Walmart on. WHR, Whirlpool. Some people might be down in this one. If you're not in this place, stay out of it. Once I get out of it, I'm not entering it again. People not buying new appliances. They fixing what they all already have. Then if you do tariff stuff, it's going to affect them buying stuff overseas. As you can see on Whirlpool, upside the second lien notes offering, restructuring debt. 10.85% yield is the reason why everybody buying it. 52-week high is $111.96. You will never see that again. HDV. Definitely want to have. Put this on $1 a day. Recurring. That's the best way to do this when it's a buy and hold ETF. For the long term, you can put it in also inside your Roth if you want to, but just put that on that. Definitely a stock I like. Well, in ETF, Costco got down $951.99. Definitely gonna go scoop some more of this up. Why am I buying it? 52 we had $1,096.50, which it just was at like in the last couple weeks. Had good earnings, decent earnings, but still sold off. Got Jeppy. We'll get you $5 worth for this. I like this at 56 and under. Got down to 55.59, 59.29, 55.29 today. Top 10 holdings. Paused it and watched that. Well, look at that. 8.29% dividend yield. Pay out every month. Another one I get every day. SRLN. 40.34 today. Pay 25 to 28 cents a share every month. Another one adding on to is Earn. Going at 468. Got this on $2 a day recurring. My average cost is $471. Pick up another little piece of this here. Pay 8 cents a share every month. So that's cash flow, ABR. Stay out of this play. Definitely getting his butt whipped. Cut his dividend from 30 cents to 17. That's why the stock is now. Going in at 523. Gonna be buying this at 540 and under. Netflix, definitely down today. Starting a position right in this one. Buying dollars. Can this come down some more? Yes, it can. 52-week low, $75. All right. Also get you NFLY. Does options, pays the dividend every week. I just got this on $2 a day recurring. Got a little more at this price. Start to double up a little bit on it. COF, Capital One. If you got XLF, you good. Capital One is not in there, but XLF got all the financial sector stocks. I just personally like Capital One. I got one of their cards. So this is something I personally like that I'm going to swing trade. If you want to get into a trade, here you go. We did MSFO. And another one, like I told you, was MasterCard, MA. But if you buy, just buy XLF. Forget Visa and MasterCard. Just buy XLF instead. Just got a 52-week high of $260. 259.64. All right, let's check out traps. We can get on out of here. Some more LFT 104. Waiting on this to squeeze. I'm surprised this ain't go below the dollar mark yet. Some people must really like this for the dividend. I just like swing trading it when it go back up. Like the 114 mark. So I can catching hell getting over that. Or there. RC Ready Capital getting whooped again. She was gonna let me buy some without canceling my order. Buy limit order. Knew that was gonna happen. Let me go ahead and cancel this order. Should have got out this play when it was at 216. That's my exit price. Down to lower that average cost. What's my average cost anyway? All right. All right, go through the rest of the stocks. Mostly everything else, REITs, BDCs, I got on $2 a day recurring. So unless it's a significant dip, I just don't bother with it. Capital Southwest. Nice little quarterly dividend pair to have. 12.29% dividend yield. 1.44 billion market cap. I'm just a big fan of weekly and monthly payers. Get a little bit of FSK, man. Stay out of FSK. Do MSFO, Microsoft, or one of those. I don't want y'all to get hung up in that one. Another one I like, every month clip. China Crane shares, got this on $10 a day recurring. So I'm at 30.44, knocking down my average calls. ChargePoint had bad earnings, got all the way up to $8 and something. See this pulling on back. Like I told y'all, you ain't gonna see no difference till 2027 at the minimum. Hood, everything coming down. That's why I took that profit when it was up, 83 bucks. It's at now. Coney down 4.95%. Options on Coinbase. Crypto is down, so that's the reason for it. Also pays a dividend every week. Glad I sold AIYY around $11 last week. I sold 32 shares. The lower my average call is going to dive back in that around about $9. That pay out every week also. PYPY paid PayPal getting whooped. Stay out of that one. Pays every week though, but PayPal's not the stock it was a long time ago. Arca down to 642. Got to come down at least $6 for me to touch that. It's Connect Ones, the bank stock. Got a sell in order there. Whenever that goes up to that. And that is about it. I did start MicroStrategy today right here. Like I said, it's a volatile play, but I'm down for it. Anyway, enjoy your day. Signing off. Go get your money.